Every year, Asians working abroad send hundreds of billions of dollars back home. But traditional banks takes up to 6 to 8% as fees before that money reaches a single family. Now, a quiet digital revolution is changing that, and it's happening faster than most governments realize. Asia has over 210 million gig economy workers. That's roughly half the world's total. Pakistan alone processes 38 billion US dollars in remittances annually. The Philippines sees remittances equal 9% of its entire GDP. The problem, every bank involved in a cross-border payment adds fees, delays, and compliance checks through what's called correspondent banking, a chain of middlemen banks that handle international transfers. The more links in that chain, the more money disappears. Enter stablecoins, digital currencies whose value is pegged to the US dollar, meaning they don't crash overnight like Bitcoin. They move like crypto but feel like cash. A Vietnamese firm paying a Thai supplier, a Filipino nurse sending wages home, a Pakistani freelancer receiving payment from a London client. All of them can now send money in minutes for just 1 to 3%, roughly half of what traditional channels charge. Monthly business to business stablecoin volumes across Asia exploded from under $100 million in early 2023 to over $6 billion by mid 2025. These are remittances, money sent by workers abroad to their home countries, and stablecoins are becoming their backbone. 9 of the top 20 countries on Chainalysis Global Crypto Adoption Index are now Asian. But here is the tension. The same features that help a nurse send money home, speed, low fees, no bank account required, also help criminal syndicates in Myanmar and Cambodia move dirty money across borders. Asia has the scale, Asia has the need. Whether stablecoins become a genuine financial infrastructure or a tool for fraud depends entirely on whether regulators move fast enough. The digital dollar is already here. The question is who controls it? If the global economy fascinates you as much as it fascinates me, hit subscribe because the next breakdown is already coming. I'll see you there.